everyone. So party snacks, finger foods, these are something that we all love and enjoy, but I'm not going to cook today. So you're probably wondering, what am I doing here? Well, we're going to cook without fire. Well, I'm very excited to share these recipes with you. We're going to do 5 different kinds of finger foods and party snacks that are absolutely delicious and very quick to make. So let's get started and check out the recipes. The first recipe I'm going to show you is a very quick and simple olives and cheese on skewer sticks. Now for this recipe I'm using black olives. These are pitted olives, but you can also use green olives. To this I'm going to pour 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now adding olive oil will keep it nice, soft and moist. Just mix it. Keep the olives aside. Next I'm going to cut the cheese into cubes. I have a cube of processed cheese. I'm just going to cut it into 4. So there you have nice small cubes. So these are good and they are nice bite size. Before assembling the cheese and olives, just wash the toothpicks first. Wipe the sticks. So just pat it dry using a kitchen towel or a tissue paper. Keep it aside. Take a toothpick or take a cube of cheese. Insert it in the center, the middle. Carefully insert the toothpick in the center of the cheese. Take an olive and prick it in the center. There you go, I've inserted both. Just push it a little bit up so you have enough room to hold the stick. For the peanut mix, take 1 cup of roasted peanuts. So I'm using a really good quality roasted peanuts. I'm going to chop 1 large onion. So make sure you chop it nice and fine. Next I'm going to chop 1 green chilli. So you can increase or decrease the spice according to your taste. To this I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now you can adjust the salt according to the taste. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon. Mix it all together. So you can see it's a very fresh mix. The onions and green chilies complements the roasted peanuts beautifully. Combination of peanuts is absolutely delicious. It is a great snack. You can have it any time. So those of you who are health conscious, this will be a great snack to have. You can fill these individual cups. For the carrot and cucumber bread rolls, I've grated 1 medium-sized carrot. So I've peeled the skin and grated nice and fresh. Next I'm going to grate some cucumber. I've taken 1 medium-sized cucumber. Remove the seeds. I'm using only half the cucumber. Use the fine grater and grate the cucumber. So as you can see, after grating the cucumber, it's released a lot of water. I'm going to squeeze out all the water completely. So you can see I've squeezed out all the water. So now I have the grated carrot and the grated cucumber. To this I'm going to add 2 large tablespoons of mayonnaise. Mix it together. To this I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and some fresh pepper. Mix it all in. The filling for the roll is ready. Keep this aside. For this recipe I'm using bakery bread. So you can see it's cut into thick slices. I'm going to cut off the edges. Using the rolling pin, roll out the bread flat, just like how you roll out a chapati. You can also use a thinner slice if that works for you. Place a little bit of the filling, spread it out evenly. Now you need to spread it out nice and thin. You don't want to add a thick layer because when you roll out the bread it will all ooze out. Let it be a nice thin layer. These rolls are absolutely delicious. So make sure you roll it nice and tight. Now I'm just going to cut off the edges. Now these edges will not get wasted. You can just pop them in your mouth after you make them. Now you can just cut this into half. Make sure all the rolls are of equal size. So when you display them on a plate, they look nice and even. So you can see The filling, it looks so beautiful inside. It's nicely rolled up. So I'm just going to put a toothpick to hold it in place. For the canopies, I'm using light salty biscuits. Place the salted biscuits onto a plate. Cut the cheese slices into squares. On top, place the cheese slices. Peel the cucumber and cut into thin slices. Then place the sliced cucumber. Sprinkle little chaat masala. And add a small drop of tomato ketchup. The canopies are done. Now you can use any toppings of your choice to make these canopies. Serve them immediately. For the bruschetta, I'm making a tomato salad. I've taken 3 medium-sized tomatoes, deseeded and chopped them fine. Take 2 cloves of garlic, chop them fine. I've chopped a few basil leaves. If you don't have basil or if you don't get basil, you can use mint leaves. Next, add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin oil. Season it with salt and pepper. Mix it all together. So this is a very simple tomato and garlic topping for the bread. For the bruschetta, I'm using a baguette. So I'm just going to cut it in thin slices. This is a nice slice that you can bite into. So don't make it too thick. Next, I'm going to top the bread slices with the tomato salad. There you go. Here is this absolutely delicious spread of finger foods and party snacks that you can make in a jiffy. They're so quick to make and they're very, very tasty. So the fillings or whatever toppings you want, you can change that according to your taste. But these are some of the basic ingredients that you can use to make these delicious finger foods. So do try these recipes and enjoy your parties. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 Frames.